two ways to go. You can loop up to the left and you can loop back down to the right. We'll go up one and down the other. We heard that all the planks and things were stored in this building with a plan to maybe rebuild it down here. Started the hike at 117 down here down by the road. We'll see how long it takes to go to the top. The cold water coming out of the mountain, acting like a natural refrigerator. You can see they put a little platform here at the Springhouse so you can see the remains of the Springhouse. You won't climb on it now. Oh wow, it had a lot more before, didn't it? The left side's falling down, the roof's falling down. This lower section of the trail, which essentially follows the creek running off on the other side of the mountain, or a hill if you prefer. But this area is sometimes very wet in the wetter parts of the year and involves the Mill Creek, which came down to a hit bedrock and runs on down in the gully here. Continuing on up the trail here beside the old dry creek. You see, this is one of the steeper sections. A lot of rocks to traverse back and forth across the trail as it weaves up along here. See here. We are coming around the bend here after that little level section at the big valley here. The creek bed over to the left, the old creek bed over to the left. And the mill, direct ahead, has still got some of the foundation. Built this little diversion off the creek to run the mill. I'm thinking it was a sawmill. It may say on the sign, but you can see the stones here right behind Debbie. Nope, no sign on it, but I think you can see this ridge running from here across to here. The other creek was off on that little crevice over there. But from local experts, caving people I suppose, spelunkers, understand that this was once a large cavern. And the roof collapsed. You can almost see where the roof might have been, coming around to match up with all the landscape of the land. Collapsed down into this hole. And then the creek that came off this area no longer ran down the hill. It ran into the hill. And you'll see just in a moment where the water coming down drops into the cave, which then goes down the hill inside the cavern and exits at Bethel Spring down at the base where we came in a few minutes ago. And here you can see the water coming down. Not even coming off that third area over there that it comes off of often. Coming down. running into this big hole. Which goes underneath the cavern, under the sinkhole. Into the cavern and down the mountain to the spring at Bethel Spring. From the waterfall on the other side of the loop, the falling sink trail, which will run into the carpenter trail over around the curve up here. You can see the sink where the roof fell in. So let's give this one a rating, Debbie. Number 1, difficulty of the hike.
Medium.
I would say
Medium
moderately
hard,
difficult to difficult. Yeah, it wasn't extreme, but it had some tough spots. Beauty of the waterfall.
Beautiful.
I give that, what out of 10? 8 or 9?
9.
Really
9 to 10.
Awesome. Really
it's
awesome.
9.5.
Unusual too.
Yes.
And overall impressions?
It's a fun adventure.
Easy to get to. Great
Really,
hike. Good
yeah.
waterfall. I'd give this one an 8 or 9 out of 10.
Yeah. Definitely.
Awesome. Really. Okay. We'll see you at the next one.